So greetings, and here is gorgeous Greta. I love this bag so much, and everybody else seems to too, which is why we have it in so many colours and variations on our collection. Let's take you around the bag first. Now this is the beautiful softy black quilted leather, and as with all my bags, it's a premium quality leather. It's a full grain napper, and it is just absolutely stunning. It has a slight sheen, as you can see, which I really like, compared to that of the Conda, which is a matte naked dry drum milled DDDM leather. You can see there is a subtle difference between the two. So if you're looking for more like an urban rock chick vibe, I feel like this is a really great option. But if you're looking for something a little bit more biker chick, then I think that this is also beautiful. Of course, there are so many variations. You can opt for studded if you really want to go for those rock chick vibes, and you can add so many bits of accessories on them. So this is the Gretchen strap. You can add the chain strap, which is the Gretchen chain. You can add it in the silver or in the gold. And there's just so many ways to accessorize this bag. It just makes it a really fun bag to own. On the end here, you can see I've got the midi warrior with the mirror. And again, it just makes the bag look so cute and so unique. And you've also got the added option of adding the straps as well. So these are the Webster straps, and they just go beautifully on any bag. So if I was to take maybe the nylon, the gorgeous nylon, then you've got the option of just bringing a bit of colour to it. So this is it in the plain nylon, and then you have the option of adding some bits to it. So that was just a quick overview on how much fun you can really have with your Greta and the different colours that we've got available. I'll very quickly just show you as it's sitting here looking gorgeous, the Texas tan. Now, as you know, the Texas tan is also a naked leather like the DDDM. Likes to be conditioned. We did a test on it, which you'll be able to find on our website, of how it looks after it's been conditioned, and the colour was negligible. It really didn't go much darker at all. So if you want to protect your bag, we do suggest you do that with the naked leathers, and they do like to have a drink, they like to be moisturised, so it is advisable to give them a condition whenever you feel the leather becoming a little bit drier, because it is obviously a natural product. Then after that, we have the beautiful Italian foil printed python print, and that's got the little matching midi warrior on the end, and our stunning gorgeous croc. Now the croc is probably the shiniest in the collection, so if you're looking for something with a really nice gloss feel, then the croc is amazing. It's lovely as a work bag. I feel the croc being a bit shinier does make it a slightly smarter bag than maybe the Texas tan, which is like an everyday run, grab, go, do the school run, that kind of thing. So very excited about this bag. As you can tell by my voice, I utterly love it. And I'm now going to show you around the outside of one of these gorgeous beauties, and then we will dive inside and we can show you how we pack it up for different things, whether you're using it as a baby bag or if you're just using it for yourself. So, gorgeous Greta. Now, this is the black quilted in the softy nappa leather, as I mentioned to you before. I'm just going to take you around the outside of the bag and show you all the beautiful features on the outside, then we'll dive inside and have a look at what goes on inside the bag too. So on the top we have these nice two-way zips that you can see here. The zips are super soft, making it really easy to open or close the bag using just one hand. And the two-way zips allow you to wear the bag on either shoulder, but be able to get easy access. So I always wear the bag under my right shoulder, and that just means that I can have the zips at the front here if I want to, and then easily gain access into the bag and close it up. But I want people to have that flexibility and not to have to make a choice, so we've got it on both sides. At the sides of the bag, we've got these two end pockets. These are fabulous, honestly, total lifesaver through lockdown in terms of where to put a spare mask, a hand sanitizer, moisturizer, anything like that. They just both stay on the end. Now we've got the two-way zips again, and that just gives you the option of having both the zips at the front, at the top, or if you want a slightly less fussy bag, I'd say, you have got the option of putting the zips to the back, and you can see that just changes the design of the bag slightly, especially if you then move the side zips out of the way as well. You just get a slightly cleaner look. If that's something you're going for, then that gives you the option to do that. What I also love is the fact you can accessorize the bag. So here we have the midi warrior with the little mirror. Great if you're out with kids, perfect for checking your own lipstick. You've got the little mirror in here. It is plastic, so it means that you won't have any issues if you have your young child with you, nothing can break. And then you've got the gorgeous studded tassel, and that's in the two colors with the silver and the light gold. And then in addition to that, you can always add the Gretchen, which is this beautiful strap here, and that can attach to the bag, and it just gives you the option of carrying it as a shoulder bag instead of a crossbody. Now, The strap that comes with the bag, I'll show you that as well, just so you can check the height on it, because you don't need to buy anything else. Everything that you need for the bag is here, but obviously it's just so much fun adding bits of kit to make the bag completely unique to you. So let's have a quick look at the original strap that comes with the bag, and I'll just show you how that fits on and what length you can have the bag strap at. So the Greta comes with its own strap, which you can see here. It's nicely secured when you receive it, and this is it on the shortest length. It has a nice leather strip running down it, and it's a nice width. So it's really comfortable to carry all day long, and it also has this leather strip which just gives it that extra feel of luxury. And that's all about KeriKit. I never cut corners with my bags. I'm always looking to improve them and make them even better than the last time until they are perfect. Now this is it on the shortest strap, so as you can see, this makes it a really easy to carry shoulder strap length. If you extend it, you have got the full length to extend it. I'm not going to do it now, but it's very easy then to turn it into a crossbody and to wear it as a crossbody, but you can just lengthen the strap as much as you need to any length that you desire. So let's dive around the back of the bag first. At the back of the bag, you can see we've got this lovely little closing pocket, and it's got a magnetic closure in the back of the bag. So first of all, the reason for that is that when you want to put your hand in the bag, I didn't want you to catch your fingers or anything or your jewelry on something sharp and abrasive. And if you're using it to slide your phone in here, it just means that your phone will be absolutely fine and protected when you slide it in, and it will close up automatically, just like that. Around the front of the bag, we have got the organiser pocket. So that again, butter soft zips, opens beautifully, and that reveals to you a lovely pocket that just helps you to keep all your essentials organised. You've got your 4 credit card holders, you've got your pen holder, and you've got your elasticated pocket as well. Now on the ends, as I mentioned, you've got your 2-way zips that allow you to get into smaller pockets. A great place to put earpods, things like that you just want to be able to grab and go easily, or items that you don't use so often. So a spare set of earphones would normally be in here for me. My essential oils for yoga would go in either the end or in the little elasticated pocket. So let's dive now into the main compartment of the bag, and hopefully in here you can see it so pretty, guys. Look at that lining, so nice and light, easy to find everything. The lining is also waterproof, so you do not need to worry about any spills or stains. If you do have an accident, just wipe it clean with a wet wipe as quickly as you can, and hopefully it won't bleed through into the rest of your bag and your leather will remain unaffected. So inside you've got this end pocket here, which has got one pocket which is insulated, and into that you can put a baby bottle or a little can, which I'll show you later, and then in the other side it's nice and spacious. The back section has got this nice security pocket, so you've got a perfect place to put all your feminine needs or any tablets or anything you just want to keep more private. And then you've got your 4 protective feet at the bottom that keep the bag protected on the base. And so that's pretty it. It's a nice, simple little design, has all the features that you need and that you've become accustomed to with KeriKit. And now I'm going to show you different ways that you can pack this beauty up. Okay, so I've got the same bag now and I've got it packed up just for a normal day out. So I've just packed a few essentials in there just to show you a size of scale in terms of the bag size, and then you can basically pack whatever you need to pack for your stress-free day away. So the front of the pocket hasn't changed at all. I've still got my poppy in here, which I showed you in the baby video. Great for your bits and bobs. Added security by putting it onto the D-ring, means that nobody can grab it without you being aware. I've got my obligatory nail file, hair bobble, hand cream and lip gloss in my little elasticated pocket. Love that pocket, so versatile, so useful, keeps everything in its place but really easy to grab anything that I need. I've got my small pen, and you've got your credit card holders here, or perfect place to put receipts or a train ticket, little bits and bobs that you just want to keep safe and out of the way. The back pocket is a nice deep slip pocket, so if you wanted to put any jewellery in there, bits out of the way, you've got this additional pocket over here as well. So just zipping the bag up, we're going to go into the main compartment next. So in the main compartment of the bag, I have got my memo bottle. The flask bottles are really great. They go great in the amber and they're fabulous in the Greta as well. I've got a small sized Sullivan packing pouch with some makeup in there and some little extra bits of jewellery for going from day to night. And then I've just got a small notebook. This is like an A6 notebook. Now I've got an A5 notebook that doesn't fit, but just wanted to sort of show it you for size. This is the KeriKit one. You can slide it in, you can close it, but for me personally, I think it's a little bit fiddly trying to get it in and out. I wouldn't want to have this in my bag every day, but if you needed to pop it in for an emergency, you certainly could. And then you can fit in very easily a nice Kindle. You've got plenty of room that can slip inside. You could probably, in fact, fit the Kindle in the front pocket. Maybe it's just a bit snug. Yeah, it's a little bit snug for the front pocket, but it will go. Or you could very easily slip it into the back pocket and just have it at the top section there. It doesn't close, the mag closure won't close with that there, but that gives you an option too. In the back pocket today, I've actually just got my normal phone. And then at the end pockets today, I have packed just a few little bits to show you the size. I've just got a small hand sanitizer in one end, and I've got my mask in the other. Generally, if I was going out, I'd probably put the mask and the hand sanitizer together in this little pocket here, like that. And then I've still got a pocket free for earbuds, any hair accessories, any extra lip glosses, or you could put little moisturizers in there very easily if you were heading away. It's just really nice. It's really versatile, functional size. That fits in there beautifully. So there you have it. That is the gorgeous Greta in the quilted softie, all set out for a nice day out.